Hello everyone. Hi kids. How are you all? Hope everybody is doing good. Now today's tutorial is on cha-cha-cha dance. Yes, cha-cha-cha dance is modern ballroom dance of Latin America, which has repeated pattern of 2 slow steps and 3 quick steps. For example, watch. Slow, slow, fa-cha-cha. Slow, slow, cha-cha-cha. See, this is the kind of pattern we follow in cha-cha-cha dance. But today the tutorial is for which age group? Yes, it is for the most energetic age group. Yes, 4 to 8 years of age. See, I have kept so many toys for you all. Yes, so now without wasting time, let's start the dance. So now what is the first step we are going to do? Keep your hands on the waist and stand profile, sideways. Yes, so we will do the walk for 8 counts, starting with the right leg. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now make sure your posture is like this. You have to become strong and stand like this. Don't become weak and stand like this. Okay? Become strong and stand like this. Yes, keep your hands on the waist. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now what is the next step? You will turn towards the audience and you will get your hands here. Now make sure your elbows are not down. Your elbows are lifted up. Yes, here. Now we will walk for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now let's try walk sideways and then in the front. Now when you do it in the front, you keep your hands here. Okay? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Now what is the next step? We will cross our right leg on the left side and we tap it 2 times. Watch. 1, 2. Then from there 3, 4 on the right side. So tap your right leg 2 times here and 2 times here. Now keep your hands here and let's try. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now after this we will be doing 3 fast claps on the right side. Watch. Keep your left hand like this and right hand like this and clap 3 times but fast. Cha cha cha. Yes. 3 fast claps. Clap clap clap. Very good. Now same thing. We will do it on the other side. Now but this time your right hand comes in the front and left hand comes here and you clap 3 times. Cha cha cha. Yes. 3 times. Clap clap clap. So now what is this step? The step is tap 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 tap. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Once again, let's try this. I have tried to simplify the choreography for all of you. Okay, once again we will try. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And after this, we will do this step once again. So 2 times we have to do this step. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, let's try from the beginning, from the walk. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now after this, we will do a turn on the right side. We will turn on the right side. Yes. Now how we going to turn is keep your both the hands on the waist and turn on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th count, join your legs. Okay. Now watch it once again. We finish the claps here. Now we will go on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this, again we will do claps on the right side, 3 claps on the left side. Yes, let's try it together. Come on, from the turn. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you have to make sure this sound comes. Very good. Now we have come from this place to this place. Now we have to go back to our position. Now how will we go? We will do the turn on the left side. Yes. Now keep your hands on the waist again. Now when we go on the left side, we will start the turn with the left leg. Yes. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once we reach back to our position, we will do again. Yes. So we will do turn, 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 and 3 claps, 3 claps. Now turn back, turn back, turn back, and again 3 claps and 3 claps. Let's try going there and coming back together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. I hope everybody is getting it right. Let's try from the beginning. Come on. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. I hope you all have got it till here. Yes. Now let's move ahead to the next step. Now what we are going to do is, you will take your right leg out like this, and you keep your hands on the side. Like a bird, you open your wings up. ऐसे नहीं, don't do it like this. Just bend your arms slightly here. Yes. So this is like the wings of the birds, but you keep your hands firm here. Okay. So let's try. Watch. 1. Yes, this is the birdie pose, bird pose. Now second pose, both the hands go up, 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 up. Yes. Now from there, the third pose, you will keep your hands on the pocket. Now open your fingers like this and keep your hands on the pockets. Yes. So there are 3 poses. First pose, bird pose. Second pose, you go up. And the third pose is on the pocket. So now after the pocket pose, we will do cross and out, and we will get our leg back. Yes. Now let's try all the poses. Bird, up, pocket, cross, out. Let's try once again. 5, 6, 7, go. Bird, up, pocket, cross, out. Now but we will do this step 2 times. Okay. So we will do it 2 times. Let's try 2 times. Bird, up, pocket, cross, out again. Bird, up, pocket, cross, out. I hope you've got this step right. Yes. Now let's move to the next step. Now after this, what we are going to do is, everybody will step your right leg in the front, and you will point with the right hand like this. Point. Yes. Now from there, you will turn from your left side and you will do a full round. Turn like this. Turn and join your legs. Once again. Point and round. Now after this, you will make V with your hands. Both the hands go up and make a V. Yes, V, and then get your hands down. So what are we going to do? Point, turn, V, down. Yes, let's go once again. 5, 6, 7, go. Point, turn, V, down. After this, we will do 4 clicks. not like this, but we have to do the action of the click. 4 times right side down and 4 times right side up. How we are going to do is, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now try and keep your hand on the waist. Here. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it is a very simple step. Now what we will try is, we will try from the point. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, start. Point, turn, up, down, and click, 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 click. Very good. We have to do this entire step 2 times. So watch. Point, turn, up, down, and click, 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 click. 5, 6, 7. Repeat. Point, turn, up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, very good. Now I hope you've got this step right. Yes, now let's try all the steps from the beginning. Yes, let's go. Come on. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bird, up, pocket, cross out. Bird, up, pocket, cross out. Point and round and up and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point and round and up and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Viral, was.
The choreography which I have taught all of you right now is a very simplified choreography. Yes, instead of doing 2 slow steps and 3 fast steps, we have done 4 slow steps and 2 times 3 quick steps coming together. Okay, so this is just to start initially, to understand what is the concept of cha-cha-cha. Yes, I hope you've liked the video, you've liked the dance. Please keep dancing. I will wait for your videos. Do share your videos once you learn it up. Bye bye.